Halo guys, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my channel. Hello everyone. My name is Rajan Muhammad Hazel Ilmi, and my student ID number is 2514560. And I am a student at PEM Akamigas, and my major is Oil and Gas Logistic Engineering. In this video, I would like to share a day in my life as a student in PEM Akamigas who lives in a dormitory. So in this video, I will show my daily routine, my activities on campus, and my life in the dormitory. And also a little bit about my hobby. As a student in the oil and gas logistic field, my daily life is quite structured and disciplined. I believe that discipline, time management, and consistency are very important to prepare myself for my future career in the energy and logistic industry. So this is my typical day from morning until night. Let's start my day. Morning routine. Prayer and exercise. My day usually start early in the morning. I wake up for Fajr prayer. Praying in the morning is very important for me because it helps me start my day with a calm mind and a positive attitude. After Fajr prayer, I continue with morning exercise. The morning exercise is usually done together with other students. We do light workout such as stretching, jogging, and simple physical training. Even though sometimes my body still feels tired or sleepy, I try to stay consistent with morning exercise. For me, exercise is not only about physical health, but also about building discipline and mental strength. It also helped me stay more focused and energetic during lecture on campus. After finishing exercise, I take a short break and then go to the dormitory restaurant to have breakfast. Breakfast at the dormitory restaurant. At the dormitory restaurant, I usually have breakfast with my friends. Breakfast is an important part of my routine because it gives me energy for a long day of studying and activity. Sometimes we talk about our plan for the day, upcoming classes, and assignment. This small conversation in the morning help build good relationship with my friends and makes the atmosphere more positive. I try not to skip breakfast because I know that studying on an empty stomach can make it difficult to concentrate in class. After that, I'm getting ready to go to campus ya guys. After breakfast, I go back to my room to get ready for campus. I take shower and brush my teeth so I feel fresh and confident to start my academic activities. After that, I prepare my clothes, my bag, and my study equipment such as notebooks, pen, and sometimes my laptop. Being well prepared helps me feel more organized and reduce stress during the day. Once everything is ready, I line up with my friends to go to the campus together. This is a part of the daily routine at PEM Akamigas, and it helps us practice disciplines, order, and teamwork. Walking to campus together also gives us time to talk, share stories, and motivate each other before classes begin. Arriving on campus and pre-class routine. So, after arriving on campus, I usually go to the canteen first. At the canteen, I buy a water because staying hydrated is very important, especially with a busy schedule. Sometimes I also meet other friends at the canteen and have short conversation before classes. This short stop at the canteen helped me relax for a moment and prepare mentally for class. After that, I go to class B to meet my classmates. In class B, I usually meet my friends and talk about the lecture schedule, assignment, and any announcement from the lecturers. Meeting my classmates before class is important because it helps us stay connected and informed. We often remind each other about tests, deadlines, and important academic information. Learning activities in class. After meeting my friends in class B, the lecture begins. As a student in oil and gas logistic engineering, I study subjects related to logistic system, like supply chain management, transportation, inventory, and oil and gas industry operation. During class, I try to listen carefully to the lecturer and take notes. The material is sometimes quite technical, but I know that this knowledge is very important for my future career. I also try to participate in discussion when possible. because asking questions and sharing opinion help me understand the material better. Studying at PEM Akamigas also trains me to be more disciplined and professional, which is very important in the oil and gas industry. After studying, we got a duhur break and lunch. After several classes, it is time for the duhur break. During this time, I perform duhur prayer and then have lunch with my friends. Usually, my friend and I go to eat mie ayam in front of the campus. This place is popular among students because the food is delicious, affordable, and filling. While eating, we usually talk about our classes, lecturers, and sometimes about our personal goals and future plans. This lunchtime is very valuable because it helps reduce stress and strengthen friendship. Afternoon classes and campus life. After lunch, we return to campus for afternoon classes. In the afternoon, I try to stay focused even though I may feel tired. I remind myself that staying consistent and responsible is part of being a student at PEM Akamigas. The afternoon classes are just as important as the morning one, so I try to give my best effort. Sometimes we also work on group discussion or simple group tasks. This helps improve my communication skill and teamwork, which are very important in logistic and oil and gas operation. Returning to the dormitory. After all classes are finished, we return to the dormitory just like in the morning. We go back in a line with our friend. This routine may look simple, but it teaches to be organized and disciplined. When we arrive at the dormitory, I feel relief because I can finally rest a little after a long day. I usually take a shower to clean myself and refresh my body. Evening time, friends and hobby. After showering, I usually visit my friend's room. We spend time talking, sharing stories, and sometimes jogging to release stress. One of my main hobbies is automotive. I really enjoy learning about motorcycle and cars, including engine system, modification, and performance upgrade. I like watching automotive videos, reading articles, and discussing automotive topics with my friend. For me, automotive is not just a hobby, but also a way to learn about technology, mechanics, and problem solving. This hobby helps me relax and also improve my technical understanding. After that, we do Maghrib prayer, dinner, and night study. Then I perform Maghrib prayer. Prayer is an important part of my daily life because it helps me stay balanced between academic life and spiritual life. After Maghrib prayer, we go to the dormitory restaurant again to have dinner. Dinner is a good time to recharge energy and prepare for night activity. After dinner, everyone goes back to their own room. At night, I usually study, review lecture material, and sometimes prepare for assignment or quizzes. Studying at night helps me better understand what I learned during the day and prepare for future classes. Night roll call. At around 9 p.m., there is a night roll call, also known as apel malam. This is a part of the dormitory system to check attendance and maintain discipline among students. And after the night roll call, my friends and I usually visit our seniors' room. This activity is important for us because it helps us to get to know our senior better and build closer relationships with them. By spending time with our seniors, we can learn from their experiences, ask for advice about campus life, and get tips about studying and managing time at PEM Akamigas. This also helps create a friendly and supportive environment in the dormitory. Sometimes we just have casual conversation, share stories, and laugh together. Even though it is a simple activity, it helps strengthen the sense of family among students. After spending some time with our senior, I go back to my room. Then I start preparing for sleep. My bedtime routine usually includes washing my face, brushing my teeth, and doing my skincare routine. For me, this routine is important to keep my face clean and to keep me feel more relaxed before sleeping. After that, I go to bed and rest so I can wake up early and be ready for the next day. So, there is a complete day in my life as a student at PEM Akamigas in the Oil and Gas Logistic Engineering program. From early morning until night, my daily routine is filled with prayer, exercise, studying, friendship, and personal care. Even though my schedule is busy, I enjoy this lifestyle because it helped me become more disciplined, responsible, and prepare for my future career in the oil and gas industry. Thank you very much for watching my video. I hope you enjoy seeing a day in my life. See you in the next video. Bye. Seru.